Ang magbuhos ng dugo para sa bayan ay kagitingang hindi malilimutan. Ang buhay na inialay sa lupang mahal, mayaman sa aral at kadakilaan.
Today, we unite as a voice that defends the freedom and right to every Filipino. This rally is not just a protest, but a declaration of human rights and not negotiable. We are here because too many lives is suffered from injustice, violence, and neglect. Silence are longer an option. We must stand firm and fight against corruption and all forms of terrorism. Every citizen deserves to live without fear, to speak without restraint, and to be treated with respect and equality. Human rights are not privilege. They are the founder of our democracy and soul of our nation. Today we march for truth, for justice, and for the countless fight that had been silent. Together, let us prove that Filipino spirit never bow out with hatred, but with compassion and unwavering belief that every human life matters. Let's fight against tyranny. Let's fight against corruption. Kulong na ang mga kurakot. Kurakot sa labing yelo.